Okay, we show now the tension. You see, after you finish, like this one is too soft. Like this one is okay, it's stronger. So the problem may be the tension in here problem. In here, this button to control the plate, the tension. So this like the screw, you go like this rotary. The tension will be stronger. So you see, I show you. If we increase tension, the feeding will be slowly and they will rotary more. So the type will be more stronger. It go like this way. You see now it becomes slowly, right? Increase more, it will be stop. So here is more stronger. Okay, and can release. Okay, it's going. Actually, because we do too much. Now it's soft, so you can increase more. It will be go like this way. Okay, here is to change the tension for the tap, for the loop. And after you're setting the loop the diameter, the tension is okay. If you feel the loop is like if you want to make a 4 mm, it's only 3 mm, you can increase one more layer. We'll show you. Okay, we stop the machine. We see the quality. Open here. You see the loop we feel is the tension is okay now. It's okay, but it's too smaller because we want to make a 4. Now maybe just about 2. So because the paper we use the sink is not enough, so you can increase one more layer. Okay, we can show it now. The finished loop, the tension is okay now, but just the diameter too smaller. So you can increase one more layer in here or inside. So you can go like this way. It's too much. You didn't release. Maybe go faster. So in here you can keep this one. And here, if you feel this one not touch, you can put down this one. That it can cover the outside. Okay. Increase a little more. Okay, now we stop the machine. We see the result. Open. You see here, this side diameter is bigger than this one. This is new making, this is old making. You see, diameter is bigger.